How to unarchive story on Instagram. First of all, let's navigate and open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app is open up on the screen, from the bottom menu, tap on your profile icon. Once the profile page is open up on the screen, from the top right side, tap on the three lines and it will open a new page on the screen. Here, find and tap on archive and it will open a list of unarchived stories. Simply find and open a story and from the bottom of the screen tap on the upward arrow icon. It will take you to the story page that allow you to upload it on your profile. So simply tap on the arrow icon from the bottom menu and tap on share to upload on your story. Tap on finish to complete the process. And that's it. This is how you can unarchive story on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.